I'm back. I haven't been here for a quick minute, but I had the day off and it's not raining, so I thought perfect time. And also, all my chainsaws got brand new chains, sorry. Even this little dude, I kept buying chains and they didn't fit, they were too big. So when I went and souped these guys up, they were able to make it for me. It cost a couple bucks extra, but it fits perfect. I'm just excited to have a new chain on this little guy. And they also they sold me the right sharpener so I can sharpen these little baby teeth. And then this one right here, thanks to you guys sharing your information with me. As you can see, my cover doesn't fit anymore because it is now a 20-inch instead of an 18-inch. And I myself as a girl will say that 2 inches can make a big difference. So this one doesn't fit anymore, but I'm okay, I'll still do. But yeah, so this guy's 20. New bar, new chain. And since I was there getting everything souped up, I also got another chain for this, my battery one, that's 18. So it's perfect now, 18, 20. And this guy has a brand new chain as well. And they sold me some wedges because we know my 3D printing wedges weren't successful. And they got a good kick out of it. But if you have a mom and pop store that sells chainsaws, go to them. They will help you out. They'll tell you what to do, what not to do. When I told them I wanted to turn this to add 2 inches, they're like, no problem. I asked around before I did it. My dad and his buddies are like, oh yeah, we used to do that back in the day because they didn't want to bend down to cut the little saplings or the little trees, so they would just get a longer bar to make their job easier and just walk along and cut it. And this, now that I added a bar, 2 inches, it's a little bit heavier, but it's still not too heavy. I don't need man muscles for it. But because I've been gone, I did a walkthrough, and there's a tree that fell over, and there's another tree that I need to take down, but it's a little risky because it's split. I'll show you. And if I don't cut it correctly, it's gonna fall into the road. So I'm gonna stop this, and then I'll take you guys on a field trip. Problem tree from here. Eventually all these alder trees are going to come down because they don't have very good roots and they just keep popping up, and I want to put good trees in. When I come springtime, I want to plant some madronas because they shed their bark, not leaves. But as I'm getting closer, I'm walking right to the tree that I wish I had more experience. Ooh, and I just noticed that guy. Dang. Yes, this guy right here. I gotta fix him before he does blow into the road, but also it might not because of all those other trees. But yeah, all these trees will make a lot of firewood, that's for sure. But yeah, see this guy, I just noticed him because I didn't walk down this far. He looks like he's uprooted. So that's also a little dangerous. Then I gotta go down here. I have to recover all my burn piles because Mother Nature just wanted to see if I'm paying attention. But yes, that tree right there used to be standing up. So I got to cut that guy, and I think I'm going to start with him. And then I'll feel a little good about cutting the other guy, because this guy, yeah, I think he, don't know which side he fell, right there. He fell from there. And then that guy, looks like he's ready to come down. He's already started. So it's perfect timing, I guess. Oh, this guy fell and hit it. So yeah, it's perfect timing that I got all new chains. So it's time to get to work. Let's do it. I had to pull some weeds and dig up a fern so that it wouldn't be blocking the view. I don't know if this guy's rotten, but we'll soon find out. Rotten. This new blade is wonderful. It's cutting like butter again. Alright, should be better now. I'm going to find something to use the 20-inch on, but I don't need the extra 2 inches right now. Not with everything brand new chains. Peace. Don't hit the camera. Can I pull this? If it's not green, it shouldn't be that heavy. Oh, it's dead. Bye, guys. For being so skinny, it's pretty dang long. It's tall. I like this stump right here because I don't have to worry about the ground. Maybe I gotta do that in now. Good, these guys didn't roll too far. Just put them in a pile for now. I'm not going to chase those guys because I might have to go get more. With a new chain, it was a lot quicker. Might have to move the camera. That's easy firewood. I think we could still burn it if it's rotten. Let's see. Hopefully that helps. I just laid it across here and see if this will work. It's not the safest. It wants to spin, and I'm gonna put my chaps on today. Be a big piece. I like it. That wasn't too bad. I think there's more. Hold on a sec. Oh, there's a lot more. There's that piece. But my gloves all wet now. But hold on, guys. I'm working on it. I'm getting tripped up in the blackberries. There's more of it. Here's the top. I was getting all caught up in the weeds. Now, where do I start is the question. Probably right here at this end. I'll be done with this guy. Gotta make do with what you got. Will that work? Let's find out. I don't think it's touching that no more. This is a long son of a gun. I don't know how big they are. I'm just guessing if it would be big enough or too big for me to put in the wood stove. I think I just gotta cut this and then I'm golden until we go to the next one. Stay, please. Boom. This tree's done. Sorry guys, there's some place I could figure out where to put the camera. I did get my chaps and my hard hat, because even though it's not that big of a tree, it does scare me. Because I don't know which way it will go or how it will go. But I just don't want it to go in the road when I'm not going to be around. Because I know I lost my dad to do it. He can't do it. I don't know if I should. This right here. I'm pretty sure it's leaning that way, so I don't think there's no way, especially with the split, that I could redirect it to go back this way. So what my plan is I'm going to try and cut it here. I'm thinking it's going to fall, and then I'm going to have to get a come along and jack it to pull it so that when it is windy again, it won't blow into the road. And that's why I want these trees to come down so I don't have to figure this stuff out. I don't mind figuring it out, but I don't want to get hurt in the process. Like, I don't know how much good this will do. I put these on, knock on wood, hopefully I don't cut myself, but just if something hits me, it's a little bit of extra padding. Here we go. I just don't want to hurt myself or my chainsaw, especially myself. And it's another reason I'm not wearing the ear plugs. I should, but I want to hear anything. If I hear it cracking or moving, like, I want to get out of the way. Thinking I probably should have cut that side first. Car coming. No matter which way I go, there's still a risk. It could fall right on me, the way it's leaning. But it's still too much of it's still connected where, fudge, I need to get on that side. I just don't want it to kick back at me either. I might be making this scarier than it is, but again, I don't want to ever underestimate the power of Mother Nature. I don't think I want to keep going. Maybe I'll ask the neighbor. because it sounds like it's cracking. And if you look up, it might get me. Let me grab this. I mean, I want to make it to Christmas, and I want to enjoy my chainsaws, and I still got all my cats, and I can't leave them because they'll think I deserted them. But I might just leave this, and then I want you guys to tell me what I can do to... Now I don't really care about taking the road out, because that'll be an easy fix. Once that top part's down, I could cut that off. But this is what I've done so far, and I want to please tell me how I can be safer. I just don't... See, it's a nice good split, and I cut that there on the back side, and then I have a front way. Oh, it's lower. See, it's already pinched. That's why I cut that side. If I keep cutting that, I just don't want it to kick back. So again, all you guys that watch, please share your wisdom with me how I could drop it safely, please. Yeah, I don't want to get hurt. And if the wind's blowing, I better get out of the way, because if the wind's blowing, it could take me out. And I just took my hard hat off. But I appreciate you guys. Got that fallen tree cut, and now I just got to finish this guy. I'll be back in a couple days when I have the weekend off. Thank you.